Okay, hi everyone, Patricia Warby here, and today we're looking in this series about gardening. We're going to look at taking cuttings from a bush like this, which is Erysimum, the perennial wallflower, and you'll see actually that bees absolutely love this. It's a beautiful plant. We want more of them so we can give them to friends or plant them elsewhere. So the first thing I'm going to do is find a non-flowering shoot and just snap it off from the stem. I'm doing now. And just trim it away. There we go. And you'll see we've got a nice shoot. I'm just going to take off the lower leaves because we don't want those rotting. And then you've got a little heel from the stem. Just trim that. You've got a perfect cutting to pop in a pot. Just pop it in, keep it watered. No need for rooting compound because this is an easy one to do. But it's similar to lavender, rosemary. You can do them all the same way. And that will grow into a nice strong plant for flowering next year. Okay,